Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would overstay with Hazrat Zainab, Jaysh's daughter radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, I and Hazrat Hafsa both planned that when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will visit any one of us, she should say, I am perceiving the smell of maghfir, an ill-smelling gum, from you. Have you consumed maghfir? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to one of us and she made the same statement. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, No, I have rather consumed honey from Zainab Jaysh's daughter, and I will never consume it again. Thereupon this verse was revealed. Translation: O the communicator of the unseen Prophet, why do you forbid for yourself what Allah has made lawful for you, seeking the pleasure of your wives? Surah Tahrim, verse 4. This verse was revealed in connection with Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anhuma. And the verse translation: when the Prophet told a secret matter to one of his wives, Surah Tahrim, verse 13, refers to the Prophet saying, No, I have rather consumed honey. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3663.